I'm just
Okay.
here to make a special appearance.
Or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no man.
We're starting today's breakdown with a case that spirals into pure courtroom chaos. A self-proclaimed sovereign citizen walks into a routine hearing about driving without insurance and immediately insists that none of the laws apply to her. From the moment she speaks, it's clear she believes she's uncovered some hidden legal loophole, but the judge isn't convinced in the slightest. Instead of addressing the charge, she argues that she isn't a citizen and therefore can't be held accountable under state law. The judge, calm yet firm, dismantles her claims piece by piece while keeping the courtroom under control. It's a perfect example of what happens when online theories collide with real legal procedure. If you enjoy courtroom analyses like this, stay tuned. This hearing escalates faster than anyone expects.
State your name for the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Now, the real question becomes, how does she expect this argument to work? She pushes for a full dismissal by calling herself a foreign alien, insisting that public road laws don't apply to her at all. It's a confusing defense, especially since driving on state roads automatically brings certain legal responsibilities. And one of those is carrying basic insurance, no creative language, or invented status changes at reality. And the judge knows it. These arguments sound dramatic in online videos, but they fall apart instantly in a real courtroom. What do you think? Are sovereign citizen defenses ever valid? Or are they simply adding unnecessary drama to simple cases? Let's keep going and see how the judge shuts this down.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
Or if you don't want to participate.
Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me in compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Jonvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
As the hearing moves forward, things heat up quickly. The judge asks direct, straightforward questions, but she becomes more agitated and repeats the same unconventional claims with growing frustration. The judge responds with steady explanations, calmly breaking down each incorrect assumption she presents. Her refusal to accept the insurance requirement only complicates her situation. There's no hidden scheme, no secret rule book. It's just a standard safety regulation meant to protect everyone on the road. Yet she keeps challenging it, digging herself deeper with every response. The tension builds as the judge prepares to deliver some blunt legal reality. Let's move into the next part and see how this confrontation continues.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Jonvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jonvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I'm asking you to this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jonvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact.
Then comes one of the most familiar lines in sovereign citizen arguments, calling themselves an attorney in fact. It's a phrase they often use as if it grants instant authority or exempts them from established procedures. But inside an actual courtroom, the term carries no power without the proper credentials behind it. If someone wants to represent themselves or claim any formal legal role, they still must meet the same requirements as everyone else, including proper licensing when appropriate. Courts don't recognize self-appointed titles or invented legal status. Moments like this show just how disconnected these arguments can be from how the justice system actually functions.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jonvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Jonvier Williams, are you present twice? Jonvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jonvier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Jonvier Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jonvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
So here's the final question. Whose approach seems more grounded? The sovereign citizen's interpretation or the judge's steady application of the law? From my perspective, the judge handled the situation with patience and control, never letting the hearing slip into chaos. She stayed focused, corrected misinformation, and made sure the case continued moving forward despite the constant disruptions. Some people think judges should shut these arguments down even harder, while others appreciate a calm, measured approach like this one. Either way, her professionalism kept the entire hearing on track, from start to finish. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more courtroom analysis like it, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.